Alright, so problem 16 here. We got seeds. Information on the packet of seeds claims that the germination rate is 92%. What's the probability that more than 95% of the 160 seeds in the packet will germinate? Be sure to discuss your assumptions and check the conditions to support your model. Okay, so, well, we're dealing with here a proportion. Okay, so we're dealing with P versus P hat. We're dealing with a standard deviation of P that equals the square root of PQ over N. Okay. And then we got assumptions and conditions. Okay, well, the first assumption or condition is that this sample is random or representative. So we're going to assume that this bag of seeds is representative of all bags of seeds. Okay, number two is the 10% condition. 10% condition says, because we're sampling without replacement, that 160 seeds must represent less than 10% of all seeds. So we're going to assume that that condition is met as well. And then number three, the success failure condition, and that is that NP is greater than 10 and NQ is greater than 10. Okay, so what is N? Well, N is 160 times 0.92, and that's 147.2, and then 160 times 0.08, and that equals 12.8, and both of those are greater than 10, so we can proceed. Okay, so what is mu going to be in our normal model? Well, mu is going to equal 0.92. Standard deviation is going to equal the square root of 0.92 times 0.08 over 160, which is 0.0215. Okay, and then we got to do a z-score. So z equals 0.95 minus 0.92 over 0.0215. And if you do that, you get a z-score of about 1.4. And then we got to do, this is a z-score of 0, a z-score of 1.4. And the question is more than 95%, so we're going to shade there. And then we're going to go to norm CDF. And we're going to go from 1.4 to 99. And if you do that, you should get about 0.081. So there's about an 8.1% chance that 95% or more of these seeds that are in this packet will germinate.